Hello everyone, welcome back to Archana's Teaching Hub. In the previous class, we discussed personality and its theories. In today's class, we will study another important topic which is adjustment and mental health. This topic is very important for CTET because it helps teachers understand students' emotional and psychological well-being. So let us begin today's session. Every individual faces challenges in life. The way we handle these challenges is called adjustment. Mental health is equally important because it affects behavior, emotions, learning ability. Understanding adjustment and mental health helps teachers support students emotionally and socially. Meaning of adjustment. Adjustment refers to the process of adapting to changes and situations in life. It helps individuals maintain balance, cope with stress, live effectively in a society. Adjustment ensures mental stability and well being. Definition of adjustment. Adjustment is the process by which an individual balance needs and environmental demands. It involves managing stress, handling conflicts, adapting to situations. Types of adjustment. First, personal adjustment. Personal adjustment means managing personal emotions and feelings. Second, social adjustment. Social adjustments mean maintaining the relationships with others. Third, school adjustment. School adjustment means adapting to school environment and learning. Now, meaning of mental health. Mental health refers to the state of emotional, psychological, and social well being. A mentally healthy person thinks clearly, handles stress effectively, maintains good relationships. Characteristics of healthy person: positive thinking, emotional stability, self confidence, ability to handle stress, good social relationships. Factors affecting mental health: family environment, school environment, social relationships, physical health, stress and pressures. These factors influence a students' mental well-being. Maladjustment. Maladjustment occurs when a person fails to adapt to situations properly. Signs: anxiety, aggression, withdrawal, poor academic performance. Teachers should identify and support such students. Role of teachers: teachers should create a positive classroom environment, provide emotional supports, encourage communication, identify students' problems. A supportive teacher helps improve mental health and adjustment. Strategies to improve mental health: encourage positive thinking, provide counseling support, reduce stress in a classroom, promote healthy relationships, encourage participation in activities. Educational implications: teachers should focus on emotional development, promote mental well being, support students facing difficulties, encourage balanced development. Important seated points: adjustment is equal to adaptation to environment, mental health is equal to emotional and psychological well being, maladjustments is equal to failure to adjust, teacher plays key role in our student well being. So, friends, in today's class, we discuss adjustment and mental health and their importance in a student's lives. We learn how teachers can support students to maintain good mental health and proper adjustment. If you found this class helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more classes in the CTET Complete series. In the next class, we will discuss child centered education and progressive education. another important CTET topic. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class.